Hello, welcome to the day 6 training where we are going to be talking about lead generation, finding and converting potential clients. We have understand the power of digital skills, copywriting, and AI tools like ChatGPT. So today we are diving into lead generation. That is a critical skill for growing a business online. So by the end of this session, you will understand what lead generation is and why it matters. You will learn how to attract, nurture, and convert potential clients. You discover the best tools and strategies for generating leads. And then you see real-world examples of how businesses successfully generate leads. So let's get started. What is lead generation? Lead generation is the process of attracting potential customers, called leads, and turning them into paying clients. It is not just about getting random people, it is about finding the right audience. Leads are people who have shown interest in your product or service. The goal is to guide them through a journey from interest and trust and also purchased. So why is lead generation important? Now lead generation is important because without leads there is no sale. Alright, so no leads, no sale. Lead generation is important because it helps build relationships with potential customers, and it also increases your business revenue. Alright, so the next thing is understanding the lead generation process. There are 3 key stages in lead generations. First of it is attraction, that is getting attention. So we use social media, blogs, ads, SEO, and content to bring people in. Alright, so people's attention are drawn by using social media, blogs, and ads, also SEO, and also content. Okay, so the second key stage in lead generation is engagement, that is building interest and trust. So you can use emails, free resources, and value-driven contents to nurture them. Alright, so the third key stage in lead generation is conversion, turning leads into customers. So we can offer them special deals, consultation, or limited time offers in order to close sales. Alright, so the 3 stages in lead generations are attraction, that is getting attention, engagement, building interest and trust, conversion, that is turning the leads into customers. So if these stages are followed properly, you will discover that you will have no problem with your business. You always generate leads, and then you can be able to derive sales to your products or in your company. Alright, so that's very important keys stages in lead generation, which are not to be neglected. Alright, the next thing we're going to be talking about is the best lead generation strategies. So number 1 is content marketing, attract leads organically. Blog posts, write helpful SEO, optimize content to attract visitors. Then videos, create YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram reels to share valuable insights. And then ebooks and free guides, offer free resources in exchange for emails. Example, download our free guide on 10 strategies to grow your business in exchange for your email. So that's a typical example. So the next one is the social media and email marketing. So in social media marketing, It helps to find and engage potential clients by posting valuable contents on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Then by using hashtags and trends to reach a bigger audience. Also by engaging in Facebook groups and LinkedIn discussion. Then example is join our free Facebook groups for exclusive business growth tips. Alright, so the third one is email marketing. Convert leads into customers. Build an email list using opt-in forms. Alright, then send weekly value-packed emails. Also use personalized follow-up to convert leads. Alright, so example is, hey, and you include the name of the person you're sending the email to. I noticed you downloaded our guide. Here is free tips to help you get started. Alright, so this will make the person feel a personal approach, right? So he will really want to read the email through, and if it's something that he can take action, he can really take action on that. So the next thing also is a paid advertising and lead magnets. Now paid advertising, you can reach the right people fast when you are able to pay for the advertisement, right? Or for advertising. Now by using Facebook and Instagram ads to target specific audience, then use Google ads to capture people searching for your services, and then use also retargeting people, or you retarget people who visited your websites but didn't buy by kind of sending them a message. You can use this example like struggling to grow your business. Join our free masterclass today, and then you will be amazed at the result that you're going to receive. Alright, so the number 5 is the lead magnets and free offers. So you can also get emails and contacts easily. Offer free templates, courses, consultations, or checklists. Then create limited time offers to drive urgency. For example, sign up for our free webinar on how to earn $5,000 per month. Alright, so that will also draw the attention of a customer or of a lead, right? So the next thing is tools to help you generate leads. To generate leads faster, you use these tools here to automate and optimize your leads generation. So the tools, the landing pages and funnels, you're gonna go to ClickFunnels, you use Kartra, and then lead pages. Alright, so the email marketing also ConvertKit, MailChimp, and GetResponse. Then SEO and content research, we have SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Ubersuggest. Then social media management, we have Hootsuite, Buffer, Meta, Business Suite. And then customer relationship management, CRM, we have HubSpot, Pipedrive. So the example, use ConvertKit to send automated emails and nurture leads on autopilot. So all the resources in the resources box in the app, so I would like you to go there and explore them. The next thing is common mistakes in lead generation and how to avoid them. So the first mistake is not knowing your target audience. So the solution to this is that define your ideal customer before running ads or creating content. Then number 2 mistake is expecting immediate sales. So the solution to this is that you should focus on building relationships first, then offer value. So do not focus on sales, but focus on relationships, because it is the relationships now that will now brings about the sales. The next mistake is not following up with leads. The solution to that is to use email automation to send reminders and helpful content. Now mistake number 4, using generic marketing messages. So the solution to this is to personalize emails, ads, and contents to resonate with leads. All right, so that will really help in order for you to grow your leads. So the action plan: create a simple lead magnet freebie to collect emails. Set up a basic email automation sequence. Post valuable content on social media to attract leads. Let's draw us to the conclusion and then the discussion. Now, what you need to take to heart or to take notes of is that lead generation is about attracting, engaging, and converting potential customers. It is also about content marketing, social media, and email marketing. All right, so these are powerful lead generation tools. Then using lead magnets and automation can grow your business faster. All right, then consistency is key. Keep testing and improving your strategies. All right, so it will really help. So we have come to the last part of this training, and tomorrow we're going to wrap up the training with question and answer session. All right, so today's discussion questions: what leads generation strategy are you most excited to try? What challenges have you faced with getting leads? Let us discuss this in the comments. All right, so thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, share the video, and do well to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video.